talking about company. What is a company? A company can be defined as a group created by a number of people in accordance with the law of the land who come together to pool their capital resources together in order to maximize profits. Then what are the types of companies that we have? We have three major types of companies. The first one is we have a limited liability companies. The second one, an unlimited liability company. Then the third company, limited by guarantee. And briefly, I'll talk about the three types of companies we have. A limited liability company is one in which the member's liability is limited by the amount of capital they invested in such business. Then an unlimited liability company is that in which the members and their capitals they invested in the business in the event of liquidation of such business might not be enough to offset the debt of such company. So such investors, their capital and also their personal properties might be used to offset some debts in the event of liquidation of such company. Then lastly, company limited by guarantee. Such companies were not set up to make profits. They were not set up for trading business. Such were set up to safeguard and to protect the interests of their members. Example is companies, the non-governmental organizations and religious institutions, likewise educational institutions. Then under limited liability companies, we have private limited liability company and the public limited liability companies. Private limited liability companies are those set up by 2 to 50 persons who combine their resources together to provide goods and services to satisfy human wants. Therefore, they get profit from such business, while a public limited liability company is set up by government who give authority to shareholders who contribute some of their resources into the running of the business. And what do? They come together to help the masses in the country to satisfy their individual wants. Then, lastly, we'll consider reasons why companies liquidate. We know what liquidation means. Why do companies dissolve? Why do they stop operating? We'll consider this under two headings: voluntary liquidation and involuntary liquidation. What is a voluntary liquidation? This is a condition whereby shareholders in the company, they gather together to conclude to close down the business, to stop the running of the business due to different reasons. Probably because they've not been able to achieve the objective of the business, and also in the case where they are operating and they are operating under loss, they can decide to dissolve such business. And under an involuntary dissolution or involuntary liquidation, it can also be called compulsory liquidation. This is a condition whereby a court orders the sanction to such company to stop operating, either due to different reasons. One of the reasons might be if they have been found wanting, they've been found operating an illegal business, and also in a place whereby they operate and offer substandard commodities or goods and services to the people of the country, and also in a place whereby they've been considered as bankrupt. Such company can also be liquidated. Thank you. In the next video, we're talking about trusts, mergers, acquisitions, and so on.